Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's class. In last class, we have discussed about your previous knowledge about our family. Today, can we read the chapter? Family, neighborhood. Rahul is happy. Their residents association has decided to celebrate Onam at his home. Soon, all families would join together at his house for celebration. Some have already reached and started preparation of the feast. Some girls are busy making flower carpets and children are playing different games. See children, here in this story, who is happy? Yes, Rahul is happy. The reason for his happiness is Residents Association decided to celebrate Onam at his home, at Rahul's home. So all the family members need to join there, need to join at Rahul's house for celebration. So he is so happy. Minnu's family came to the party late because there was something special in her family. Last month, her mother gave birth to a baby. Now, she has come with the newborn baby for the celebration. Everyone welcomed them with great pleasure. So, here, Minnu's family came late for the party. The reason is her mother gave birth to the newborn baby. So, she was late. Children, look at this family. Can you guess whose family is this? Yes, this is Minnu's family. Everyone looked at the baby. Do you think there were some changes happened in Minnu's family after the arrival of the baby? Yes, there were some changes. Definitely, some changes will happen in the family. What happened to the size of their family now? See, one new member has arrived here. So the size of the family is increased. Which member in the family got busy by the change? Here, all the family members will be busy, especially mother. Mother, father, grandparents, and Minnu will be busy with the baby. Do you agree with me, children? If you agree with me, you can write this answer. Otherwise, write your own answer. The next question. Is there a newborn baby at your home? You can write your answer. If you have a newborn baby at your home, you can write it yes. If you don't have a newborn baby at your home, then write it no. Those who have written yes, for them there is another question. Those who have written no, then no need to write the answer for this question. The question is, are there nurses or helpers coming to your home to care the mother and the newborn baby? If any external person or any nurses or any other people are coming to your home to take care of your mother or newborn baby's mother and the baby, you can write it yes. If the grandparents and the parents are taking care of the baby, then you can write it here no. What are the helps offered by them? If any nurse or any helpers came to your home to take care the baby and mother, then what are the helps they will be offering? taking care of baby and mother. Does your mother get enough time to spend with you as before? Why? No, because she need to give more care to baby. That you will be understanding. Right, children? You know that baby need more care. So, mother need to give more time with her baby. And next activity, this we have already discussed. And you have to check your answer. Okay, these are my answer. And we can discuss your answer in the live session. Ask your mother about her childhood. When I asked my mother, when your mother was of your age, who were the relatives she lived with? So, when I asked, my mother told that she lived with her parents and siblings. This is my mother's answer, okay, children? So, you ask your mother and write her answer here. Okay, the next question is, with whom does she live now? Now she is living with her husband and children. Okay, this is my answer. You have to discuss here with your mother and write your answer. And mother-child relationship. This also we have already discussed. So I have written my answer here. Do you remember how your mother took care of you when you were young? Can you list out some of them? So my mother, when I was young, she was busy with feeding, buying things, protecting me, dressing, bathing, helping in difficulties, playing with me, teaching many things. Okay, and you write your memories here. Okay, write here and we can discuss in the live session. When mother is not there at home, what do you feel? I feel sad. Honestly, I am telling that if my mother is not at home, I feel sad. Generally, mothers are the primary caregivers in all families. Does your mother love you? So, I have written my answer here. Yes, my mother loves me. So, I am very confident here. So, I have written yes. How does your mother express her love to you? Sometimes she will be smiling at me. Sometimes she will hugs me. She will kiss me. She will hold me. Then she will be spending more time with me. So from these many expressions, I understood that my mother loves me. So children, you can write your answer and we can discuss in the live session. In page number 10, the first two questions I have given us homework that we can discuss later. Now, can we talk about animals? How do the animals take care of their young ones? You may have seen the animals like dog, cow, hen, and cat, and how they take care of their young ones. Look at these two pictures which is given in your textbook. The first picture, see how the animal bird, so how the bird, mother bird, okay, how the mother bird is taking care. She is feeding their young one. Not only feeding, it is protecting by made a nest in a proper place. And it is caring, feeding, loving, and later it will teach how to fly. And it will help. Look at this kangaroo. The mother is feeding the young one, caring the young one, and look at that, every time it is carrying the young one. So these points I have written here. Observe the pictures. You observe the picture. How do they take care of their young ones? They are taking care by protecting, feeding, caring, loving, teaching, helping, and carrying their young ones. If you have more answers, you can write in your textbooks where space is given. Have you heard of parental care of hornbills? The state bird of Kerala, the great hornbill. They make nest in the holes of trees. Male and female birds together make the nest. The female is trapped in the nest by closing the hole with mud by them. The male brings the mud and passes to female. Female lays eggs and incubate them. They spend about 5 months in the nest. During this period, the male bird brings food for the mother and the chicks.